So for today's video, I usually never make actual videos. I usually only do shorts. I'm going to ring on my friend Anna's doorbell. Go check her out. She's in a lot of my shorts. She slays.
I slay.
I'm just gonna go ring on her doorbell and prank her and stuff. So let's go. And I swear she does not know we're doing this. This isn't a fake prank. Alright, so let's go. Walking to her house right now because we live right next door to each other. So I'm gonna ring on her doorbell and run. Okay, so get ready to run, Bennett. Did you hear that? I'm scared. Let's spy on her and see if she does it. Is she looking? Okay, we were just prank calling Anna.
That's funny. It took longer than what they thought to brush her hair.
Okay.
She's finishing up right now. Are you guys finishing?
Okay.
Well, I think they're finishing.
Alright.
Sorry.
It's fine. We'll be in the house.
Okay.
Okay.
That was funny.
Yeah.
I was like...
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, she'll be over.
Okay, yeah, it's fine. So, I guess her and her mom are brushing her hair out, and then she's gonna come hang out with us. But that was her dad. He was looking around, and then he saw us. So, that's a little embarrassing. But yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.